Harold Kisilu, who is...
Sensitization and departure from the norm is now paying off, going by the report that the number of pension uptake has gone up despite thousands of job losses countrywide. According to RBS Nzomo Mutoko, the number of salaried pensioners has increased to 22%, up from 20%, against a 30% target by the end of the year.
We have seen our assets increase from 1.16 trillion in December 2018 to 1.32 trillion in December 2019, despite these various shocks. And this is on the back of the launch of several new pension products targeting the informal sector, including Mobikeza that we have mentioned, and a number of others that have been launched by different players, including the National Social Security Fund.
This coming in the backdrop of a directive by the Cabinet Secretary for National Treasury, Ukur Yatani, to hold all parastatal heads accountable for any failed remittance of personal contribution from their parastatals, an effort that is expected to further push up pension contribution and revenue.
We really welcome the recent directive. Recently we were summoned as CEOs of state corporations, or the CS, National Treasury, and they told us in no uncertain terms that as CEOs we shall take personal responsibility. It's no longer going to be institutions, it's going to be personal responsibility for failure to remit this kind of statutory contribution.
The pension market is also expected to improve with the partnership between Octagon Africa and Alexandra Forbes, where Octagon will serve multinational clients with a presence in Kenya. This strategic partnership follows Alexandra Forbes' review of its strategic business and operation model in March 2019, banking on exiting emerging markets and strategically repositioning with credible partners to deliver and support their clients operating in the specific countries.
Alexandra Forbes have a partnership with Massa, and Massa settles clients in Africa using Alexandra Forbes. Alexandra Forbes are going to settle their clients in East Africa using Octagon Africa Financial Services. Octagon
will further be hoping to improve its reach and grow its revenue by at least 35% in the year, while sharing revenue at an 80-20 ratio with Forbes. Jimmy Mbogoh, K24 Business.